Gosh dang it. Okay. Well, Sam Look Up's on a train station right now watching out for a train. Okay, we're coming here any minute now. I'm gonna pause the video till it comes. Sadly I can't zoom in because I'm on my tablet, but yeah, enjoy. Yeah, an Amtrak train's way down track. I think I can hear those crossing. Oh, there they are. Okay, there's Amtrak. That's the cab car. I'm gonna back up a lot so I can find out when it starts to slow down. When the train starts to slow down, what cab number it is. Sorry for the bumpiness. Here it comes. It's coming. Come on, come on. Get here. I need to get your cab number. Don't go too fast, train, please. I need to be able to read your cab number. Ryder, it's gonna be okay, okay? Oh, poor Ryder. Here comes Amtrak. It's cab number 6952. 6952 is passing by. Cab number 6952 is passed by. Okay, engine number is 463. 463. Train number 463 is stopping at Silverhead Shore Station right now. It's heading northbound. It's LA bound. Hopefully a video gets published on what game I should try and upload for my Xbox. If I can't get it to work, I'll just send out another video saying that. Sorry. Amtrak number 463 is getting ready to leave. Okay. Conductor just gave a signal for it. Ready to go. They're about to leave. Train number 463, cab number 6952 is getting ready to leave. The engines are starting to go again, and they're about to be on their way. There they go. Quick run for 463. Earlier in my channel, you have seen another train. It took forever because something happened. I forgot. I think it was coffee that got spilled. By train number 6952, or better known as 463. We're going to pause the video here. We'll wait for the next train. That'll be in about 24 minutes. Actually, less than that.